Hey there, welcome back to the channel. So today we are diving into a topic that can completely transform your business income with high ticket sales psychology. Okay, so if you were struggling to break through the income plates or find yourself constantly hustling for new client, this video is for you. I am going to share an specific mindset shift about tactical approach that have helped me to and my client to sell premium services range from $5,000 to $50,000. Okay, so this video is for high ticket sales psychology. The psychology behind high ticket sales offer is fundamentally different from lower price services. Okay, by the end of this video you will understand why exactly, and more importantly how to position yourself to successfully sell premium services in 2025. Okay, so let's get started. And the first section is the value mindset. Okay, the first and the most critical shift happen when you and your own mind is changed. Okay, long before you speak with any prospect, most of the service provider approach sales from a place of insecurity. Okay, they focus on their justifying their prices, proving their worth, and essentially asking for permission to charge premium rates. This creates a fundamental problem. Okay, when you are mentally justifying your prices, your project uncertainly to your prospect, and this sense immediately. Okay, they sense it immediately. Okay, the shift change everything is moving from a cost of mindset to a value mindset. Okay, here is what I mean. That is, when you are in a cost mindset, you are thinking about your time, your effort, your deliverables. You're essentially saying, here is what I do, yeah, here is how long it will take me, therefore it cost for this much. Okay, right. It's all about yourself and your services and your things, but the value mindset completely flips the approach. Instead, you are focused entirely on the outcome of your client receive, what you actually financially impact to solve their problem, what that emotion relief worth to them, and what opportunities will open as a result. Okay, let me give you an example about it, then you will better understand that. Like a web designer in a cost mindset might say, I will build a custom website with 10 pages, mobile optimization, and do SEO for basic of $3,000. Okay, the same designer with a value mindset would say, I will create a conversion focused website that will help you to generate approximately 30 new qualified leads per month, which for your business translate about $15,000 in monthly revenue, and the investment is only $10,000. Okay, the same thing we are doing, but in a different mindset, and we are position our offer is a different way. So I hope you notice the different. Okay, the second approach isn't focused on deliverables, it's focused on the outcomes. Okay, like the client never buy your services, they buy their dream outcome. You are solving their problems. Okay, so how you are solving their problems, and how you are giving them the result, that's the fact. What you are doing in between that nothing matter to them. Okay, so section 2 is qualification is protection. Okay, the second critical mindset shift understanding is the qualification isn't just finding the good prospect, it's about protecting your energy and your business. In low ticket world, the strategy is often get as many people in the door as possible, but in high ticket sales, each conversion represents a significant investment of your time and energy. High ticket seller understand that not everyone is their client. In fact, most people are not your client, they are perfectly fine, no problem on it. Okay, so here's a practical application. Before you get on a sales call, you need to qualification process that filter your client who, okay, have the budget for your premium services, have a problem of your service can genuinely solve, have the authority to make the purchasing decision, have the urgent need that creates motivations. Okay, so I use simply pre-qualification questionnaire that prospect must complete before booking the call with me. Include a question like what approximate budget for this project, and what is the cost of not solving this problem in the next 3 months, who else will be involved in decision making, and what timeline you will working with implementation. Okay, these questions not only help me to identify qualified prospect, but also prime them to think about the value solving their problem rather than just cost of my services. Okay, so when someone completes this questionnaire, they already began the mental process for justifying their investment to themselves. By the time we get on a call, they are pre-qualified and pre-sold on the value. Okay, this approach has helped me to increase my close rate from around 25% to over 60% on premium services, simply because I am only speaking with genuine qualified prospect. Okay, section 3 is the expertise paradox. Here, like in reality, high ticket sales psychology works in the opposite way. The more you try to prove your expertise, the sales, the less expert will appear. Okay, I call this the expertise paradox, and understanding it will transform your sales conversation. True expert don't need to prove anything. Instead, they focus on entirely and understand their client situation in depth. They ask insightful questions that the client might not even consider. They listen more they talk. Okay, this is how they play out in practice. Average, a service provider will spend 80% sales call thinking about their process, their experience, and their methodology, and the result. And high ticket services provider will spend 80% of their call asking strategic question and listen intently. When they do speak, they share insightful, specific, relevant on their prospect solution. So in a sales call, basically you can maintain like 80/20 ratio. Like you will 80% listen your client, your prospect questions, and after that you will talk 20%. Then the possibility of your sales closing will be higher. Okay, so what you have already solved that problem. If we are having this conversation a year from now, what would you need to happen for you to feel this was a wild successful, and what the impact of this problem on the areas of your business? What happen if this doesn't get solved in the next quarter? This question demonstrates your expertise far more effectively than telling someone your expertise in her cloud. Okay, so they show how you understand the complexities of their problem and the broader business in the context. Okay, the psychological principle works here is that the people trust their own conclusion and more than your assertion. When you are guiding them them to insight through questioning, and attribute them to wisdom, and even though they reach the conclusion themselves, it's not being any salesy. Okay, you need to start a conversation. Section 4 is price encoding and construct principle. Okay, so high ticket psychology leverages two powerful principle: price encoding and constant principle. Price encoding is the is the concept that the first number of mentioned in the conversion because the reference point of all other numbers. This is why it's critical to anchor the conversation of the value solving problem by mentioning your fees. Okay, for example, if you are selling a service for $15,000, you want to establish a yearly conversation, and the problem is costing them like $50,000 annually, or preventing them accessing their thousand like 100K in opportunity. Once the anchor is set, your $15,000 fee doesn't seem high. Seems it's obvious investment for significant return. Okay, the contact construct principle worked hand to hand with anchoring, like that. If you apply like a premium comprehensive solutions, a standard solution, my target offer, and a basic solution. Okay, so we presented with this option, the most client choose the middle option. Okay, this is the Goldilocks effect in action. We tend to avoid the exchange gravity toward the middle opposition. Okay, so but here is the psychology behind the insight. By including a premium option, I have made my standard solution which is still a high ticket offer, I feel it reasonable and middle ground choice. Okay, if I had only presented the standard solution by itself, it might seem expensive, but compared to the premium solution, it feels like it's sensible. Okay, so the approach has increased my average sales value 40%, actually make the same offer the same client fees more comfortable with their purchase decision. Section 5 is the post purchase journey. Uh, the final mindset shift, and one that most services provider completely misunderstanding, that is the moment after someone says yes, is just critical, everything came before. In high ticket psychology, we understand that people often experience cognitive and dishonest sense after making significant investment. They may question their decision, worry about the made a mistake, or feel vulnerable. And a person, you can immediately kick a client sign like a person a video message thanking them, reinforcing their value. They will receive a detailed welcome packet that outlines next step and set clear expectation. A quick win deliver within 48 hours, and schedule check-in calls after 1 week of purchase. Okay, this process does two critical things. First, it reassures them they have made the right decision. Second, it creates momentum carries through the entire client relationship. Okay, so that's it. So if you just recap it, then adopt a value mindset, focus on the outcome and delivers our times, and use qualification as a protection of your time and energy. Demonstrate your expertise through questioning, not telling, and use price and constraint to make your premium offer feels reasonable. Design a post-purchase journey to buyer's remorse. Okay, so this shift are just not theoretical. They help me and my client to sell my premium services rate. So like if you are ready to step up to high ticket services by starting implementing this mindset shift at one time, begin with getting absolutely clear on the value what you are delivered, then refine your qualification process before tackling the sales conversation itself. Okay, so that's it. If you just keep in mind in this mindset shift, then I think you can easily sell and take a high price from your client. So that's it for today, and if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more strategies on building a premium services in the business. And I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.